Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to build a free dashboard in Looker Studio, step-by-step, beginner-friendly, and updated for 2026. The best part is, you don't need to pay anything or install any software to get started. First, open Looker Studio in your browser and sign in with your Google account. From the home screen, click Create, then choose Report. This opens a blank canvas where your dashboard will live. Next, connect your data. Click Add Data at the top and choose a free data source like Google Sheets, GA4, or Google Ads. Select your dataset and click Add to Report. Once connected, your data is ready to use. Now let's add your key metrics. Click Add a Chart and start with scorecards. Add metrics like users, sessions, clicks, or sales. These give a quick overview of performance at a glance. After that, add visual charts. Use line charts to show trends over time and bar charts to compare categories or channels. Looker Studio automatically fills in data fields, so you can focus on understanding the results instead of setup. Next, make your dashboard interactive. Add a date range control so viewers can change time periods easily. You can also add filter controls to focus on specific data like traffic source or location. Spend a moment organizing the layout. Resize charts, align them neatly, and add text labels or section headers. A clean layout makes your dashboard easier to read and more professional. Before sharing, click View to preview your dashboard. Make sure all charts load correctly and filters work as expected. Finally, click Share and give view access to your team or clients. Since it's web-based, anyone can open it with a simple link. And that's how to build a free dashboard in Looker Studio in 2026. Simple, powerful, and completely free. If this guide helped you, please like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more step-by-step Looker Studio tutorials.